SHANTUI DH46-C3 Bulldozer is a big-power, hydrostatic bulldozer newly developed for complicated working conditions, such as open-pit mining and large earthwork projects. It carries SHANTUI's 70 years of manufacturing experience. The cab has FOPS and ROPS function and a wide view to keep operators safe and make job done quickly. With enhanced ergonomics, its operating system has been more easy and labor-saving. In the cab, you can see the air suspension seat and a 10.1-inch touchscreen with an intuitive menu structure. Low-effort steering, Reaper and Dozer controls are easily accessible, resulting in a more comfortable ride. Cummins QS-X15 engine fit SHANTUI auto-match power modes could meet the power demands under different applications. The standard semi-U blade has a capacity of 13.7 cubic meters, and the perfect design curved blade makes dozing work smoother. The single shank ripper can easily crack hard materials. The tilt cab, safety passageway, ground-level service access and filters make the maintenance easier.